Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-150 2021 to 2022? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2022 Ford F-150 contains fuses and relays that protect key interior electrical systems. It supports components like the infotainment system, power windows, and interior lighting. Each fuse is labeled for its specific function and amperage rating. Access requires removal of a panel for service or inspection. Power distribution fuse box. The power distribution fuse box in the 2021 Ford F-150 manages high current circuits related to engine and drivetrain systems. It includes fuses and relays for components like the cooling fan, fuel pump, and electronic powertrain controls. This box ensures safe operation and overload protection of major underhood electrical systems. Clearly labeled circuits aid in diagnostics and maintenance. The 2022 Ford F-150's power distribution fuse box manages high current circuits essential for the vehicle's operation. It includes fuses and relays for components such as the fuel pump, cooling fans, power seats, trailer brake control, and electronic power steering. The box also supports advanced features like electric brake boost and upfitter relays for specialized equipment. Each fuse is clearly labeled to facilitate diagnostics and maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.